Hello, this is my first lecture on matrices for semester 4 DSC and GE student. I'm Ms. Ranjana Datta from the Department of Mathematics, the Graduate School College for Women. Today we will study the matrices, some definition of matrix. A matrix A can be written as shown on your screen A11, A12, A1n for the first row, A21, A22, and A2n for the second row, and similarly AM1, AM2, and AMN on the mth row. So here we can see this matrix contains m rows and n elements. So this can be written as small aij, I for the row and j for the column, aij within the third bracket m cross n. So now, so a matrix can be written as in the form aij in a third bracket m cross n. Now, special type of matrices, square matrix. A square matrix is that matrix where the number of rows is equal to number of columns. Here m is equal to n, then we say that the matrix is a square matrix. Here given an example on your screen. Now, the unit matrix or identity matrix. If the diagonal elements of a square matrix, if the diagonal element of a square matrix are all equal to 1, then it is called a square matrix. The first one, I4, is a square matrix of order 4. Then I3 is an I2 as shown on your screen. Null matrix or zero matrix, a matrix in the form as shown on your screen. This may not be a square matrix, that is also a null matrix. So a null matrix where all the elements are zero, then it is called a null matrix. So two examples are given on your screen. Row matrix. If the matrix contains only one row, then it is called a row matrix, as shown on your figure and example. And column matrix, the matrix which contain only a column, then it is called a column matrix. Submatrix of a matrix, that is the matrix 1, 2, 3, 0, 2, 1 as shown, is a submatrix of A. Now, equality of two matrices. Equality of two matrices, that if A is equal to Aij and B is equal to Bij, then they are of the same size. Firstly, they are of the same size. Number two, the element of the corresponding places of the two matrices are equal. That is, Aij is equal to Bij. Examples are given on your screen. Then addition of two matrices. Suppose A is equal to Aij m cross n and B is equal to Bij m cross n, then A plus B is equal to the corresponding elements are added. The corresponding elements are added, that is Aij plus Bij as shown on your screen. The properties of addition. Matrix addition is commutative. That is, A plus B is equal to B plus A. So if A is equal to Aij M cross N, B is equal to Bij M cross N, and A plus B is equal to Aij M cross N plus Bij M cross N. Since the corresponding elements are added, so this can be written as Aij plus Bij M cross N, and since they are added, so this can be written as Bij M cross N plus Aij M cross N, that is B plus L. So matrix addition is commutative. So matrix addition is also associative. You can see from your screen. Now, the existence of additive identity, that is, the A plus something should be equal to A. This is possible only when 0 is the additive identity. So A plus 0 is equal to Aij plus 0 is equal to Aij. M cross N matrix is equal to A. Similarly, 0 plus A is equal to 0 plus Aij M cross N is equal to Aij M cross N is equal to A. So 0 is the additive identity. Now, existence of additive inverse. So let A is equal to Aij M cross N matrix. So minus Aij is equal to M cross N is the additive inverse of A. So because minus A plus A is equal to A plus minus A is equal to 0, that is the identity element. Now we will study the multiplication of two matrices. Suppose A equal to Aij M cross N matrix and B is equal to Bij N cross A matrix, then only multiplication should be possible. That is the M cross N, the column of the first matrix should be equal to the row of the second matrix, then only multiplication is possible. Here I have given some example. For A, it is it contains third row and two columns. So it is 3 cross 2 matrix A, and A is 3 cross 2 and B is 3 cross 3. A is 3 cross 2. So BA, BA is possible. So here we have to write B first and then A. AB is not possible here because the column of the first should be equal to the row of the first matrix. So how it is calculated, you can see and try it at home. This is the process of finding the multiplication of the two matrices. Today, this much only. Thank you.